Once upon a time, in a magical garden, there lived a little seed named Sprout. Sprout was a tiny seed with big dreams. All day, he would listen to the stories told by the older plants about the world beyond the garden. One sunny morning, as Sprout basked in the warmth of the sun, he decided it was time for an adventure. "I want to explore the world and learn new things," Sprout declared to his friends, the flowers and the butterflies. "But Sprout, you're just a tiny seed. How will you explore the world?" asked Daisy, a wise and caring flower. Sprout thought for a moment and replied, "I may be small, but I have a big heart and lots of curiosity. I believe I can learn and grow by experiencing new things." And so, with determination in his heart, Sprout rolled out of the garden and into the wide, unknown world. As he ventured further, he encountered different challenges. Along the way, he met Raindrop, a friendly raindrop who became his companion. Raindrop said, "Sprout, don't be afraid of challenges. They help you grow stronger and wiser. Embrace them with a positive attitude, and you'll see how much you can achieve." Sprout and Raindrop faced strong winds, heavy rains, and scorching sun together. Sprout learned to adapt and appreciate the beauty in every situation. He realized that challenges were opportunities for growth. One day, as they traveled, Sprout noticed a garden in the distance. It was the most magnificent garden he had ever seen. "I want to go back to my friends and share what I've learned," Sprout said to Raindrop. With the knowledge and experiences gained during their journey, Sprout and Raindrop returned to their magical garden. Sprout eagerly shared his adventures and the lessons he had learned with his friends. Daisy smiled and said, "Sprout, you may be small, but your heart is big. You've taught us that challenges are a part of life, and with a positive attitude, we can overcome them and grow stronger." And so, the little seed, Sprout, became an inspiration to all the plants in the garden. They learned that no matter how small they were, they could face challenges, grow, and make a difference in the world. The moral of the story is that challenges are opportunities for growth, and a positive attitude can help us overcome them.